CAPR stock analysis next week, super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm gonna be covering all this in this short brief 1-minute video, and as the only person in this space with 43,000 video track record and 5 years of experience, all documented on my YouTube channel, I've seen what's printing me money and what's not, and it wasn't until I paid mentors tens of thousands of G's to learn the skills that everything changed, which you obviously don't have to do. With this in particular, I'm just gonna zoom out, look at the broader picture, because generally I was open-minded for longs, and it went very beautiful, but my timing was just wrong. I never got the rules met, you know what I mean? But it did manage to take the highs out. I mean, this in particular, I'm going to get rid of this stuff, mark up the top just so we have more clarity. And genuinely speaking, I don't doubt that the price will come back, clear the lows out. You know, it just all depends about how we're going to start. If I do see some good breaks above 240, 745, then yeah, that's a bullish market, but currently it doesn't look like a bullish whatsoever. So that's how it's looking like for me. Boom. All I'm doing in the meantime is waiting for rules to be met. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.